Welcome to our comparison of two popular motherboards, the GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX and the MSI B550-A PRO. In this video, we will explore their key features, performance, and value for different types of users. Whether you're a gamer or a professional looking to build a high-performance PC, this comparison will help you make an informed decision. The GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX is designed for high-end performance with its support for PCIe 5.0 and DDR5 memory, making it ideal for users seeking top-tier capabilities. In contrast, the MSI B550-A PRO offers solid performance at a more budget-friendly price, but lacks the latest standards, making it suitable for users who do not require cutting-edge technology. Both motherboards are capable, but the B650 excels in power delivery and future-proofing. The GIGABYTE B650 supports the latest DDR5 memory, allowing for higher bandwidth and better performance in memory-intensive applications. On the other hand, the MSI B550-A PRO uses DDR4 memory, which, while still effective, limits its potential bandwidth and upgrade options. This difference is crucial for users looking to maximize their system's performance in the long run. In terms of connectivity, the GIGABYTE B650 offers a wide range of options, including multiple M.2 slots and USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C, ensuring that users can connect various peripherals and storage devices with ease. The MSI B550-A PRO, while still providing essential connectivity options, has fewer M.2 slots and lacks the latest USB standards, making it less versatile for users with multiple devices. In conclusion, the GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX is an excellent choice for those seeking high performance and future-proofing, while the MSI B550-A PRO serves as a cost-effective option for users who prioritize budget over cutting-edge features. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.